Need a break from Instagram without permanently deleting your account. Instagram allows you to temporarily deactivate your account, which hides your profile, photos, comments, and activity until you're ready to return. In this guide, I'll show you how to deactivate Instagram temporarily in 2026. Before you begin, it's important to understand what deactivation does. Your profile becomes hidden from other users, but your account information remains stored by Instagram. When you log back in later, your account will be restored automatically. First, open the Instagram app and sign in to the account you want to deactivate. Then tap your profile picture to open your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top corner of your profile and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Center. This is where Instagram manages account ownership, security, and account status settings. Inside Account Center, select Personal Details to access account management options. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. This section includes options for both account deletion and temporary deactivation. Select Deactivation or Deletion and choose the Instagram account you want to manage if you have multiple accounts. Choose Deactivate Account instead of Delete Account. This option temporarily hides your account without removing your data. Instagram may ask why you're deactivating your account and request your password for security verification. Complete the required steps and confirm the deactivation. If you decide to return, simply log back into Instagram using your username and password. Your profile, posts, followers, and account information will be restored, and that's how to deactivate Instagram temporarily. It's a great option if you want a break from social media without permanently deleting your account. So yeah, if you're unsure about leaving Instagram completely, temporary deactivation gives you flexibility while keeping your account safe. Thanks for watching.